Hi, my name is Dennis Fugel. I'm Chartered Professional Accountant, CPA, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Today I would like to talk to you about topic expenses. Guys, what are the expenses in Canada that eligible to claim in your business? So let's start from this. Any expense that help you to earn money is eligible expense. It's basically expense that you can claim for the tax purposes and deduct it against your income. Any expense that help you, whether it's office supplies, whether it's software, whether it's phone and internet, postage, couriers, you purchase goods, you holding inventory, anything, okay? Of course, everybody's thinking, oh, anything, he says anything, so membership club dues. Stop. This is a 50%. Unless you can actually prove that it's not for you, it's for the benefit of your client, then it's going to be 100%. To prove it that it's 100% deductible, it's very, very hard because majority it's for your own use. You making a membership for a golf and you usually use it. You can say, I'm taking my clients over there. Yes, and what do you do when you're not taking your clients? You're not going? Yes, you do. You probably do. You probably go. And you're probably taking your clients, but not on a daily basis, not on a weekly basis. Maybe you're taking your clients 5 times a year, 10 times a year to play video golf. But the rest of the days, you're using this. That's why it's not 100% deductible. It's only can be 50%, okay? So not all the expenses is actually 100%. Also, people think everything, what about meals and this thing? Oh, meals and entertainment, not all of them. Well, again, there is tax rules for everything because they don't want to open the gate and then people will claim all their house as eligible expense because it's helping me to earn the income. No, it's not working like this, okay? There's definition for expenses and they're saying expenses that help you to earn the income and they need to be reasonable. Your house, when you're resting, you think it's also because I'm coming home and I'm resting, so with a new strength I'm coming to work, so my house helped me to earn income. No, it's not. Okay, it's personal. You enjoying more from your house rather than your work, so you cannot claim. Okay, so anything, it's not reasonable even. It's not reasonable. People can claim, oh, what's happening? Like I can claim this. No, you cannot. Okay, are you going to the you're taking vocal classes and you can say it's helping me to talk to people in public. It's again, it depends. Vocal classes, I would say if you took 1 or 2 vocal classes and then you have a lecture, so yes. But if you're taking local classes without any connections to your operations, it's definitely not 100% deductible, and it's not deductible at all. Because you need to link between expense to your income. There must be direct correlation, direct link between them, and there is not. Okay, so like I said before, office expenses, software. You're using software for your business. This can be eligible deductible expense. Home office. Some people using home. You working from home. Some home office expenses, and we're also prorating it because not all 100% home office expenses tax deductible. You need to have actually office, not full basement, office in a basement, okay? Or office at home that you can claim as your home office expenses, and you can claim your rent or your interest mortgage. You can claim utilities, internet, property taxes, maintenance, home insurance for your home office expenses. Vehicle, if you're using your vehicle for the business purposes, again, according to the CRA, we need to see what type of vehicle. There's different types of vehicle for the tax purposes. But let's say everything is legit and you're using the correct type of vehicle for your business. You need to track your card log. Card log on a daily basis. You need to have actually the date, the description, where you went, to who you went, how much kilometers you drive, where was the location of your meeting. You need to track your card log, and this is must requirement according to the CRA. Okay, again, depends everything what type of business do you have. If you have business of moving and you have huge truck, so it's different story. Okay, and by the way, they do track that log where they're going and who they're going to. They're not driving by themselves, so they do have it. Okay, so whether they want or not, they actually standing and say their requirements, because this is part of the company regulations and administration, that they need to know exactly where each vehicle is. You cannot take the vehicle and go to transfer your dad house, or or your uncle on the work time. Okay, professional fees, accountants, lawyers, fully tax deductible, no problem. Consultations, also tax deductible for you. Marketing, any marketing events that you're doing, also tax deductible for you. Travels and meals. Travels and meals can be tricky. Some travels, of course, the tickets that you went for the conference is deductible. The meals that you're taking over there is a limit per day that you can claim, actually. And if you took a group for yourself, a group of doctors, a group of your colleagues to the meals, it's also maybe tax deductible. You need to verify with us, with the CPAs, with your accountants, and we're gonna gather from you as much information as possible, and then we can give our opinion on this and say yes or not. If you paying to subcontractors or wages, of course tax deductible. If it's construction business, please do not forget to issue T5018s in the end of the year to your subcontractors. It must. If you won't do that, you're going to be in huge problems with the CRA. It's big penalties. Inventory, of course, when you're paying and you're buying something and you're storing this is for the operation of your business. Again, tax deductible. Bank payments, of course. Any bank payments that you pay, fully tax deductible, because it's for your bank account, business bank account. Okay? You cannot pay. You can pay, but it won't be tax deductible. Your personal expenses, for example, this is not going to be tax deductible. Clothes, you're wearing clothes, you're buying clothes. Again, it's not tax deductible. Okay, this is not part of your job. If you're buying special uniforms, for example, you're working in an industry that you require safety boots, it can be tax deductible. If you're providing clothes to your guys, like for example, we see in the industries like medical, please, you see all the nurses with the clothes. Yes, it can be tax deductible for them, because this is special clothes for their work. You don't see them going outside to the cinema or to the nightclub with this clothes and having a party, okay, unless they dress up. but but in general, the expenses that helping you to earn the income and have direct correlation, a relationship to your income, they are fully tax deductible, and they must be reasonable. Any other expenses that not unreasonable, like at all, you're coming home and you want to clear your mortgage, no, because you're resting and it's helping you to charge your battery, and next day go like to the battle and to be happy at work and to work efficiently. No, it's not, because you enjoying it more rather than your work. It's something for you, and this something need to be 100% for your work, and work need to benefit from this expense, not you. I mean, there's a split benefit, for example, membership dues, split benefit. That's why it's not 100% tax deductible. It can be 50-50. Golf course, place, you see. Any other memberships that, again, not 100% your work enjoying, it's a split jointment, so it's not going to be full deductible. I hope this short explanation provide you general information about the expenses and what is deductible and what is not. If you would like to know more about it, you can contact me. Any clarifications, again, please contact. I will be more than happy to help you. Have a nice day.